Hello everyone. Welcome back to this JEE Mains series on units and dimensions. In this video, we are going to cover accuracy, precision, and significant figures. Our measurements are either accurate or inaccurate. Our measurements may be precise or not so precise. What do these terms really mean technically? Let's look into it. Accuracy and precision, although in common language, people would mistake them to be the same thing, but it's not actually the same thing. Accuracy has a very specific definition. It means that how close you are to the correct value. So let's say you're figuring out the value of the radius of a sphere using a vernier caliper. And the actual radius of the sphere, the manufacturer has reported is 2 centimeters. If you're getting 2.5 centimeters, your result is not very close to the value, to the actual value. So it's not that much accurate. So that is what accuracy means, how close you are to the correct value, to the correct answer. Precision, on the other hand, means how close you are to your own values, how close your reported values are to each other. It depends on what kind of instrument we are using. If you're using a vernier caliper versus if you're using a normal scale, a ruler, the readings that we get from vernier caliper would be more precise. It would give us more precise values. For example, it would give us 0.01 centimeter. Okay, this is the least count of a normal vernier caliper. Whereas if we are just using a scale, it can only give us values till a range of 0.1 centimeter because that's the least count of a normal ruler. So this instrument or the vernier caliper is more precise. Even more precise than the vernier caliper is your screw gauge, which has a least count of 0.001 centimeters. So precision actually is a property of the instrument. Better the least count of instrument, more precise results it will give. But it is not necessary that a more precise instrument will also give us more accurate result. What if we have a faulty vernier caliper? It won't give us accurate result, but it would keep giving us result up to 2 decimal places of a centimeter. So accuracy and precision are different. Let's understand accuracy and precision and the difference between them using another example. Let's say we've gone to a shooting range and we got 4 trials. Trial number 1, trial number 2, trial number 3, and trial number 4. And this is how the target looks after we've made all the attempts. Now, in target 1, we see we're not hitting the bullseye at all. Okay, so our results are not accurate. Are they precise? They're not even precise because precision is how close our own values are to each other. So sometimes you see we are hitting at this place, sometimes we're hitting at a diametrically opposite point, not really close to each other. So it's definitely not precise. Is it accurate? Not really. Okay, because at no time we are able to hit the bullseye. So we are neither accurate nor precise. So this one here, we are neither accurate nor precise. In trial number 2, are we accurate? What do you think? Are we able to hit the bullseye or are we anywhere near the bullseye? Are we anywhere near the bullseye? No. So this trial, the second trial also, we're not very accurate. We're not anywhere closer to the correct value. But here, let's say we take 10 trials. In all the 10 trials, I'm able to hit the same region. Okay, so my own values are close to each other. They may not be close to the actual value, but my own results, my own measurements are closer to each other. Such kind of measurements are precise measurements. So this Trial 2 is precise, but it's not accurate. Trial 3, you can see it's both precise and accurate. It's precise also, it's accurate also. Trial number 4, as you can see, it's accurate because we are not spread out up to the diameter. Okay, we are able to hit this region, so we are accurate enough, but we are not that precise. We're not precise because our values are not very, very close to each other as they were in case 2. Here you see one of our strikes is at this point and one of our strikes is at this point. They're not really close. So we are somewhat precise, but not very precise. Okay. So trial number 4, we are not precise, but we are accurate because we are able to hit in a region closer to the bullseye. So we are accurate here, but not precise. I hope this clears up what is the difference between accuracy and precision. Let's move on to significant figures. This will tell us why was it important to understand accuracy and precision.